Welcome guys back to Spider Rider Extras. Today I'm pretty excited. We're going to review my first ever unboxing of a hybrid 1Storm helmet. This is 1Storm's budget-friendly helmet offering. Purchased on Amazon, and we're going to open it up and see what kind of quality you get for their budget helmet. Packaging is good. I got this helmet in matte black, size 2X. I do like mine not super snug, even though your helmet should be as snug as possible. But I bought this because in the near future, I'm going to make a rather large purchase, and I wanted a nice helmet. Since I already have a very expensive Bell ProStar helmet I use for my street bikes, I needed something more budget friendly for my, like I said, my next purchase. And guys, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see my new videos coming up in the next couple months. I'm sure you will enjoy them. All right, look at this helmet. It has a great 1Storm helmet bag, and let's take a look inside. All right, first impressions. Okay, it was ordered with my matte finish. Finish looks good on the exterior, don't see any kind of defects. Nice vents with your logo in the back. Coming around to the front. Nice huge vent in the front like that for a lot of air movement. Interior. Looks good. The cushion, a lot less than my Raystar helmet, but of course the Raystar helmet is about an $800 helmet. But overall it looks good. Now we'll go over a little bit about this helmet. This is a 1Storm's hybrid helmet for street and off-road use. Sizes are from small to 2X. Colors, like I said, this is matte. They also have gloss black, gloss white, and they also have colors they call Storm Force, which come in black, blue, and orange. I think the look overall is pretty cool. Nice hybrid look. Definitely will get a person's attention. Now pricings on all their helmets are around $60 to $75. That's really great for anybody, you know, looking for where their money's tight or just want a good budget helmet. Lightweight, weighs a little bit over 2 kilograms. Has the basic thermoplastic outer shell. It's just super light. As far as padding, I mean, the padding is adequate, a little thin. But I mean, it feels good. The padding's all removable, can be washed. Other features, as you can see, it has like a ratchet type release here for the strap. You just pull the little red tab, pops right apart. Like I said, ratchet system, really quick release and really tight. That should do the trick, especially what I'm using it for, which will be off-road. Reason why I purchased this, I really didn't want to wear a helmet with goggles. I just don't like goggles. I mean, other people might be fine, but I'd rather have this hybrid. This helmet, of course, with every helmet you have, should be at least DOT approved. And of course, you could also get the Snell approved, which even gives you more protection. The other thing that's was very popular for me, which I loved, is the interior sunscreen. Has a lever on the side, as you can see, pops it up and right back down. Simple and a great feature on a helmet at this price point. And of course you have your clear shield over top. one last thing I wanted to mention, as you can tell, once I pop up the visor here, you have a huge field of vision. So, and I did try this helmet on now, and I mean, it fits great, very comfortable, and I do recommend it once I use it out for a length of time. I'll let guys know on my updates about how comfortable it actually is. That's it, guys, and be sure, like I said, to subscribe and click on the notifications so you can see all my future videos and all my videos already posted. And like I said, it'll be a big surprise in a couple months. And don't forget, guys, my giveaway is still going on for the battery charger. It ends June 14th, so make sure comment, you have to be subscribed, and share so everybody can get on the monthly giveaways. Thanks, guys, and have a great night.